Guys, welcome to Neatwala. So in this video you will see about how you can easily understand the metabolism of nitrogen from the chapter of mineral nutrition in class 11 biology. So I had made a mind map that I prepared during my NEET 2020. So I will explain you easily so that you will not get confused about the nitrogen metabolism. First we will see about wait a minute. Nitrogen is present in the form of N2, that is the normal form of nitrogen. Then this nitrogen gets fixed to ammonia. This process is called nitrogen fixation. It is not ammonification. So the next thing is the free living aerobic bacteria like Azotobacter and Beigernica, and free living anaerobic bacteria like Rhodospirillum, and free living bacillus like Cyanobacteria, that is Anabaena and Nostoc, help in the process of nitrogen fixation. That you should be clear. Fixation of nitrogen to ammonia is called nitrogen fixation. So let us move into NH3. So from NH3, if NH3 is converted into NO2 minus, that is nitrite. NO2 minus is called nitrite. So the conversion of ammonia to nitrite, that is NO2 minus, is called nitrification. Then organisms that help in this process are Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus. That you should be clear. Then again, if this NO2 minus is converted back to ammonia, it is called as assimilative reduction. This they may have not given in your book, but it is called assimilative reduction. Then this nitrite ion, when it gets converted into nitrate ion, it is called as nitrification. That is nitrification. This is also nitrification. They have given both the processes single one in your NCERT book. So this is also called as nitrification. But the bacteria that helps in nitrification is Nitrobacter. But the bacteria that helps in first nitrification, that is conversion of ammonia to nitrite, is Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus. Here second nitrification, that is nitrite to nitrate, it is also called nitrification. The organism that helps here is Nitrobacter. If nitrate is again converted back to nitrite, it is called reduction. That also they may have not given, but you remember it. Then when this nitrate is converted back into organic nitrogen, this is called nitrogen assimilation. Okay. Then this organic nitrogen again gets converted into ammonia. This is called ammonification. Conversion of nitrogen to ammonia is not ammonification, it is nitrogen fixation. Conversion of that is this N2 is free. Conversion of organic nitrogen into ammonia is called ammonification. If ammonia is converted back into organic nitrogen, it is called assimilation. If nitrate is converted into organic nitrogen, it is also called as assimilation. So these both assimilation are reduction processes that I have written here. That is, these both are reduction processes. So these are the processes and organisms involved. And another thing is, when this nitrite is converted into free nitrogen, it is called denitrification. The organisms that help in this process are Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus. So I think you have understood most part of the topic. So for more videos, subscribe the channel and do share it with your friends. Thank you guys. And comment your idea and doubts below.